So welcome back. Thanks for tuning into another video. And as you can see here, look what I'm standing in front of. Look at that yard. How does that look to you guys? What do you think? I think it looks good. The grass, everything is standing up. This is actually 3 days after I mowed it. So everything is dry. We had a couple days of rain in between there. A big yeah, 2 days of rain. And everything is dried out today. It looks real good. Today's a beautiful day. Actually, it's mid-afternoon. Sun is going down. So I thought about it. I said, let me go ahead and get this Milorganite application down, because we're supposed to get 2 more days of rain going in, so that'll help me actually get the Milorganite down and get it watered in properly, so I don't have to actually do it myself. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I want to get my Milorganite application down. Some people might think it's a little too early to get it down, but it's a slow release formula, so it's gonna take at least about 2 weeks to break down and release into the soil. So that's about, if 2 weeks from now, that'll be going into almost the first full week of May, pretty much the second week of May. And that's when the Milorganite will actually release and be in the soil, and they'll start giving my yard that nice green look. It's already green, but it'll actually darken it up a little bit more because of the iron inside of it. And then the rest of this yard right here will actually be able to fill in and catch up, and it start prepping my yard for going into that late spring towards the summer mode. So that's what I want to do today. But what do you guys think? Once again, this is 3 days after I actually mowed the yard. I think it looks very, very good, and I'm satisfied with the outcome. Now I'm gonna continue to build on the yard and get it better over the course of this season. But for right now, for the first mow, I think it looks gorgeous. So you guys stay tuned, and we're gonna go ahead and get that Milorganite down. All right. So as you can see, I'm going with the full bag of Milorganite. That's right. All 36 pounds is going on the ground. Believe that. Check it out. So this full bag covers around 2,500 square feet. My backyard is a little bit, I measured it out. It's about 22, in that 22 square feet, 2,200 square feet, including the side over there. So I'm taking a whole bag. I'm gonna get a full dose of Milorganite. There's nothing wrong with that, but you can believe that you're gonna watch a full bag going down today, baby. Now I know a lot of people say you're doing it wrong. You shouldn't be pouring over the grass. That's right, that is correct, but with average homeowners, sometimes we take gambles. It's a little bit of Milorganite. If it spills a little bit, it won't harm it. This is a non-burning formula, so you don't have nothing to worry about. Plus, I don't want to pour it over my concrete here, because I actually have a drain right there, and that's actually worse, getting fertilizer in your drain system, and then it flushes out into your sewer system and contaminate stuff. So you don't want to do that. I don't have a tarp to put down, so as average homeowners, this is what we do. People show you otherwise on online and say, oh, I got a tarp, I put the tarp down, and then I put my spreader over and dump the fertilizer in. When you're not on camera, you're doing it this way. Most likely people are spreading it. This is how average people do it. So you just make sure you don't let the hopper tip over, or make sure it's closed. That's all you got to do. So here we go. And there we go. I didn't spill anything, so we're ready to go. All right, so I guess I'm gonna start out on 3. Nah, let's go to 4. Nah, we could do 5. We could do 5. Oh, what the heck. Since it's the first dose of the year of Milorganite, let's go. All the way up. All the way up. I'm all the way up. That's right. 15. All gone. That was the grand finale. You see, the tiller, the spreader actually tipped over. That's over. That's it. Game over. I just spread down 2,500 square feet, 36 pounds of Milorganite on 22, little about 2,200 square feet. So I'm gonna see what's gonna happen. I'm probably gonna get a lot of growth. I want to see it green up really, really good, better than what it is now. This is just the natural green up. So we're gonna see what happens. Stay tuned for the results, and just remember, when it comes to spreading down Milorganite, just remember, there's only one way to do it. All the way up.